So someone decided for men to look professional, they've got to wear a tie. In hindsight, it just seems weird when you question the purpose of a tie, but I have to admit, in my head, a man wearing a necktie instantly registers he is here to talk business. So let's get down to business and let me take you through the basics of a necktie. First off, look at the fabric. The most preferred fabric when it comes to ties is silk. It looks rich and classy. It's tensile and also does not crease easily. For those of you seeking ties for more casual settings, especially during warmer months, a linen or cotton tie is your ideal choice. Secondly, you've got to check the construction of the tie. One of the essential parts of a tie that helps them retain their shape is the interlining of the tie. Interlining thus gives a tie its shape and drape, in addition to wrinkle resistance. A good way to test your necktie interlining is to shuffle the tie around. If the tie retains its shape, this is an indication of a well-constructed tie. With a low-quality tie, the lining will shift and be off-centered, resulting in a sloppy-looking tie. Now that you know how to select the right tie for yourself, let me show you how to tie a tie. To begin tying the full knot, raise the shirt collar and drape the tie around the neck so the wide end is on the right side and extends about 12 inches below the narrow end. Cross the wide part of the tie over the narrow part, pull the wide end up through the opening at the neck and then down. Pass the wide end underneath and to the right of the narrow part with the wrong side facing out. Cross the wide part over and to the left of the narrow part with the correct side facing out. And that was it, guys. Keep these things in mind and it will make dressing up and shopping so much easier. Until next time, ciao.